Fluent English Practice.
Hi everyone, I'm Ava, and I'm your narrator today. Have you ever had a morning where everything goes wrong? You wake up late, you feel tired, your mind feels heavy, and before the day even starts, you feel stressed. Before we start, I have a small question for you. What do you do in a moment like that? Do you stay calm, or do you feel upset and quiet? In this video, you will practice real-life English speaking. You will follow Emma. This is a real-life story, a normal day with problems, feelings, and small moments that matter. Listen carefully. Imagine you are Emma and speak with her. Let's begin. Oh no, it's 7:40. I'm late. I'm so late. I can't believe this. I overslept again. Why didn't I hear the alarm? Where is my shirt? Where are my shoes? Everything is a mess. This day is already bad. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I'm late. I'm late. I overslept. I overslept. This day is already bad. This day is already bad. I have a question. Please write in the comment. What do you say when you wake up late?
Emma, are you awake? Yes, but I'm late. I was supposed to wake up at 7. Oh dear. Did your alarm not ring? It did, but I turned it off, and I fell asleep again. Ugh, I hate mornings like this. Take a deep breath. Getting upset won't help. What do you need? I need to get dressed fast. Where is my blue shirt? I think it's in the laundry room. I'll get it. You're a lifesaver. Thank you. Do you want something to eat? I don't have time. Take a banana. Okay, I'm ready. Don't forget your keys. Oh, right. Thank you, Mom. Be careful. I will. Bye.
Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I don't have time. I don't have time. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for helping me. I'll be careful. I'll be careful. I have a question. Please write in the comment. What do you say when someone helps you?
Please be there. No. Wait. I missed it. I missed the bus. You just missed it. Really? Yes, it left 10 seconds ago. That's my luck today. They never wait. I ran so fast. I know how that feels. When is the next bus? In about 15 minutes. First I oversleep,
Then I missed the bus. This day is terrible. At least it's not raining. That's true. I'm Emma, by the way. I'm Rosa. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Thanks for talking to me. I was about to cry. Bad mornings happen. Yesterday, I dropped my lunch. Everyone saw. That's awful. But someone gave me a cookie. That's kind. Yes, small kindness helps.
Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I missed the bus. I missed the bus. That's my luck today. That's my luck today. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I have a question. Please write in the comment. What do you say when you meet someone new? I think I'll order a ride. I don't want to be later. Good idea.
I hope it's fast.
Traffic is bad today.
Of course it is.
I can't go further. The street is blocked.
Oh no, I'm already late.
You can walk. It's 4 blocks.
Okay, I'll walk. Thank you.
Good luck.
I'll need it.
Now your turn. Repeat after me. I'm already late. I'm already late. I'll walk from here. I'll walk from here. Thank you for the ride. Thank you for the ride. I have a small question for you. Write in the comment section. What would you say to the driver?
I need coffee.
Good morning.
Hi. One medium coffee, please.
Tough morning?
You have no idea. I overslept. I missed the bus. I almost cried.
Ha, this coffee will help.
Oh no. My shirt. This is just mean.
Are you okay?
Yes, but my shirt is ruined.
I'm so sorry. That spot is dangerous. We call it the splash zone.
Of course you do.
I'll make you a new coffee. No charge.
Really?
Yes, everyone needs a small win.
Thank you. You're making my day better.
Now your turn. Repeat after me. It's okay. It's okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That means a lot. That means a lot. I have a small question for you. Write in the comment section. What do you say when someone is kind to you?
What a morning.
Are you okay?
Barely.
Emma, do you have the files?
Oh no. I left them at home. I'm so sorry.
Can someone bring them?
My mom.
Mom, I forgot a folder. I need it.
I'll bring it.
Thank you. You're amazing. Now, your turn. Repeat after me. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Thank you for understanding. Thank you for understanding. I have a small question for you. Write in the comments section. What do you say when you forget something important?
I thought I couldn't do this, but I did. People helped me. Small things helped. A kind word, a free coffee. Bad mornings don't last forever. Sometimes days start badly, but that doesn't mean the whole day is bad. Small kindness matters. Patience matters. And you are stronger than you think.